folks, it's Aaron from Bean Sprout. I've got a really cool 5-string banjo to show you today. This is number 868. It's made of cherry and Texas ebony. The rim is some really curly, beautiful curly cherry there. Real funky, gnarly board that I got this from. I really like it. There's a 12-inch rim, no tone ring, just a wooden rim. It's got this Texas ebony heel cap with a knot that I turned into a visible repair. I love doing that sometimes. The neck is a 5-piece neck, cherry with a couple stripes in it. Not as curly as the rim. And then the rest is some more Texas ebony. So Texas ebony is a North American wood, and I only got it when I got it from a retired builder. I'm almost out of it. I've made several banjos now from the curly cherry Texas ebony combo, and they've all sounded awesome. And I'm always trying to find more curly cherry, and it's really hard to find for me. And that's why in this case I used it for the rim, but I didn't have enough to make a neck for it, but it's okay. And when this Texas ebony goes, I'm not going to go hunting for more of it. I've got some other woods lined up to take its place. So yeah, this one's got a goatskin head on it as well. So this is just a really mellow, beautiful, rich banjo. And because of the cherry, the low string has that growl that I like. It's got non-steel strings on it as well. So. Yeah, it's a beauty. So yeah, I'll be hunting for more curly cherry, but in the meantime, we'll use what we got. I'm just happy to keep making these for you folks. It's a good one. Number 868. Cheers.